Well, the G4 nations have issued a joint statement just ahead of Prime Minister's touchdown in the United States. So that statement was issued before Prime Minister reached Washington, D.C. The G4 nations have sought the expansion of both permanent and non-permanent seats in the United States and has reiterated the demand to recognize the G4 nations as permanent members of UNSC. Joint statement by G4. It has issued a joint statement ahead of Prime Minister's touchdown and sought reforms in the UN Security Council. It has reiterated demand for permanent member status. G4 demanding expansion of non-permanent seats and demanding launch of text-basis negotiation at IGN. So those developments also taking place parallelly. Ministers issuing a joint statement following the meeting in which they reaffirmed that it is indispensable to reform the Security Council through an expansion of both categories, permanent and non-permanent seats, to enable the Security Council to better deal with ever complex and evolving challenges to the maintenance of international peace and security, and thereby to carry out its duties more effectively. Crispino will once again take us through the highlights. Yes, Crispino.
Well, Crispin, all eyes are on Prime Minister Modi's meetings in the United States, and as you rightly pointed out, the key important meeting here is the Quad Summit, and all eyes on the Quad Summit because Prime Minister Modi, remember, is armed with an agenda to tackle terrorism on the global stage. So the issues that will be discussed are not just the Afghanistan issue, which is one of the biggest issues of the agenda in the aftermath of the US pullout from Afghanistan. Because remember, the meetings right now lined up for Prime Minister Modi assume a big significance here in the aftermath of the Afghanistan crisis, because the world right now is looking at India's leadership role on the world stage, because right now India has a big role to play, from assuming presidency at the UNSC to now taking it forward. So how will the Quad Summit benefit those living around Afghanistan and address various issues, including the crisis unfolding? It has to be wait and watch. Now, what decisions that will be taken. Now, among the key issues that he will be discussing with US President Joe Biden will be the Afghanistan crisis, because we have seen not just the United States and the European Union slamming.
His departure statement, Crispino, his departure statement made it very clear that, of course, on the agenda is going to be global challenges around COVID-19, but more importantly, issues related to counter-terrorism and, of course, the emerging situation in Afghanistan and its impact on the entire region. That's on the top of the agenda, and that's very, very clear. It's been communicated by New Delhi to Washington ahead of Prime Minister's touchdown. Let's quickly play out another exclusive report filed by Abhishek Kapoor. He's reporting from Washington, D.C., keeping us ahead on minute-by-minute developments coming in.
Group of Four, or G4 as they are informally called, which includes India, Brazil, Japan and Germany, the nations that are demanding that the United Nations Security Council be reconstituted and include these nations as part of the reformed UNSC, have at the UN demanded that their concerns about the changed geopolitical reality should get reflected now in the reformed UNSC, that without any further delay, these nations should be made members of the UNSC in a reformed format. The reason is that the world has changed, the realities have changed, geopolitical realities of the world have changed since the World War II, and for tackling increasing complexities around the regions of the globe, these unrepresented mass of humanity have also to be represented. To that extent, the foreign ministers of the G4 met together at New York on the sidelines of UNGA and have demanded, or in fact instructed, their respective bureaucracies to escalate their demand into text format, where a common joint memorandum of understanding would be reached between all these four nations, and based on that, that memorandum or text format would be then pushed across the United Nations General Assembly to reach a consensus within the Committee of Nations to make sure that the UNSC is reformed at the earliest, and these G4 nations, which includes India, Japan, Germany and Brazil, are included in it.